Hi everyone, it's an update on my elephant ear plant. It's been a month later. I'll put a link to my video where I first planted it from a bulb. It's gotten really big, huge leaves. That's why they call it elephant ears. There's 3 big leaves on here. This gets about 5 feet tall. And as I showed in the last video a month ago, my container garden, now it's sprouted way, way big. Lots of stuff out there. I'll be doing a tour on that pretty soon. As I talked about in the last video, I put Miracle-Gro in here. Kept it watered well. And it's grown pretty fast. Nice early morning out here. Birds are all chirping. Beautiful sunny day. Probably take this out and put it in with the rest of my container garden area. It grew pretty well right here on the porch, so it gets lots of sun here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.